Welcome to House Cleaning Made Easy, where I teach you how to clean while aggressively judging those who don't. Speaking of which, meet my dear friend Dusty, the human embodiment of a before picture.
Wow. Just wow. I came here for support, and now I'm getting verbally mopped.
Verbal mopping is the only cleaning you've ever experienced, Dusty. Everyone, meet Dusty, my dear friend, and also the reason my eye twitches whenever I step into his apartment.
Listen, Maggie, I have a cleaning style. It's called organized chaos.
Oh, is that what you call the spaghetti sauce dried onto your ceiling? What exactly happened there? Were you exorcising a marinara demon?
Okay. First of all, you're being dramatic. Secondly, it was a spoon catapult situation, and honestly, I'd rather not talk about it.
Oh, we are talking about it, Dusty, because today we're covering the top 3 signs you need to get your act together and clean your house. And spoiler alert, you qualify for all of them. See you next week for another exciting episode.